Welcome to Metrology lecture series. In the previous lecture, we discussed the measurement of major diameter and minor diameter of the screw thread. In the present video, we will discuss the measurement of effective diameter of the screw thread. Effective diameter is the most important part of a screw thread because it ensures proper fitting between the mating threads. There are the different methods are available to measure the effective diameter of the screw thread. Among that, thread micrometer method, one wire method, two wire method, and the three wire method are mostly we are using. First, we will discuss the thread micrometer method to measure the effective diameter of the screw thread. This method is simple and quick for measuring the effective diameter of a thread. A thread micrometer, which is similar to a normal micrometer but has the special tips or the contact points to match the thread shape. So you have to observe this schematically here. So this is the thread micrometer. So it is look like a normal micrometer, but the difference is it is having the special attachments, so which has to be match the thread shape. So these are the contact points which is the match the thread shape. Let's see the procedure. First, you have to select the correct contact points based on the type and pitch of the thread. So after selection of the contact points, we have to fix the V-shaped tip on the anvil. So you have to fix the V-shape anvil. After that one, we have to fix the V-groove tip on the spindle. So spindle side you have to fix the female part. So V-groove type of the tip we have to fix in the spindle. After that one, using a setting gauge to remove the any zero error, then you have to place the thread between the tips and take the micrometer reading. In this method, we measure the major diameter on the one side and we measure the minor diameter on the other side. So this reading gives the effective diameter or pitch diameter of the thread. So next we have to look the formula for the pitch diameter of the Whitworth thread. So for the Whitworth thread, pitch diameter equal to the capital D minus 0.6403 P. Here capital D is the major diameter or the outside diameter and small p is the pitch of the thread. So this thread micrometer method having the advantage, so that is the only method which shows the variation for the drunken thread. So this is regarding the thread micrometer method. Next we will discuss about the how to measure the effective diameter by the using of wires method, that is one wire method, two wire method and the three wire method. So before going to these methods, first we have to discuss about some introduction regarding the wires method. So this method is most commonly used method to measure the pitch diameter or effective diameter of a thread. In this method, small wires or rods are placed in the thread grooves. So in the schematic I have to observe. So these are all the small wires or the rods. So in this method we have to place these small wires or the rods inside the threads of the grooves. So in the schematic I have to observe. Here we are placed the two wires in the thread grooves. After that, measurement is taken over the wires using a micrometer or any other precise instrument. So after placing the small wires, then you have to take the reading over the wires by using the micrometer or any other instrument. Then the wires are made of the hardened steel so they do not wear out easily and give the accurate results. So these wires are the made of the hardened steel, so it should not wear easily, and also it will give the accurate results. And these wires are manufactured with the high accuracy and smooth finish to match the different thread pitches. So one more key point you have to remember. For the each thread pitch, there is a best to size wire. So when the best to size wire is used, it touches the thread sides or flanks exactly at the pitch line. So it will give the most accurate measurement. Next we will discuss the one wire method to measure the effective diameter or pitch diameter of the screw thread. In the one wire method, we use only one wire to measure the effective diameter of the thread. So in the schematic I have to observe, here we are using the only one wire, and this one wire is placed in the grooves of the thread. So here a small wire is placed between the two threads on one side. So I have to keep here only one side. After that one, micrometer anvil touch the top of the thread on the another side. So one side it will be touch the wire, and another side it will be touch the top of the thread of the another side. So let's see the procedure of the one wire method. So first you have to take a standard setting gauge. After that one I have to measure this reading by using the micrometer, and let's consider that this reading is the D1. After that one I have to replace the gauge with the thread to be tested. Then once again I have to measure and note down this reading. Let's consider this reading is the D2. Then effective diameter it will become the D plus or minus D1 minus D2. So here capital D is the size of the setting gauge. And one more thing you have to remember. So sign rule for the one wire method. So if the D2 is greater than the D1, then you have to use the plus sign, which means D plus D1 minus D2 have to consider. Otherwise, if the D2 is less than the D1, we have to consider the minus sign, which will become the D minus D1 minus D2. So this is the one wire method. So in the coming lectures, we have to discuss about the two wire method and three wire method and the best to size wire method. Thank you.